Do you want to know how you can log into your Netspend Debit card account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Netspend Debit card account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser and in the Google search bar search for Netspend Debit card login. What you need to do is scroll a bit down and click on this link over here. It will lead you to the official page of Netspend. Now you can see the debit account over here. Go ahead and click Account Overview. Now you can register to your debit card account by writing down your email address here and clicking on Get Started. Now if you already have an account, you can see the login option on the top right hand side and the activate card on the next to login. Go ahead and click login, which is over here, and it will lead you to this official login portal of Netspend Debit card account. Go ahead and write down your account login details such as your username and password. After you write down the username and password associated with your Netspend Debit card account, click login. This way you can successfully log into your Netspend Debit card account. If you have any confusion and have forgotten your username or password, these are the two links you want to go through. You can click on Remember My Username also. Now if you don't have a debit card account, go ahead and click Order a New Card and sign up today. I hope this video about how you can log into your Netspend Debit card account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.